Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of multiplications on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Google Maps. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Google Maps. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.